Just showing you a quickie. Got a little snowstorm going on here. Remember when I used to complain about no snow? Well, not complaining anymore. So this is this big 24-hour storm that's been coming up the coast. And now it's in New England. And I guess it's going to continue on until I think it's about 2 o'clock. So, in the afternoon. Now this one fares a lot better in the wind when it's really gusting. It doesn't blow the table over or try to. So it's a good plan on there. It's not a lot of torque. If I really wanted to go over there and try to stop that when it's really whipping, you can slow it down and put your hand on it. I'm not sure if the PMG is going to go well with it or not. And I'm not sure if I want to spend the money on building a, you know, a hybrid for it. But this wind keeps flipping around in different directions. Even though it doesn't look like there's that much wind going on up there, it is moving. So it's a cool thing. Oh, baby's crying. Ta-ta for now.